Hi, my name's Hayley and welcome back to the CAD-Spec YouTube channel. So you're managing design data, but is it as efficient as it could be? If you're tired of searching for files, dealing with version conflicts, struggling with collaboration, then Autodesk Vault might just be the game changer that you need. So here are the top 5 reasons why teams like yours are using Vault to streamline their workflows. So reason number 1, staying organised and keeping in control. So picture this, you've got design files absolutely everywhere. You don't know where exactly to find everything. Vault helps bring all of them into one central structured location. So you always know exactly what you need to find. That means no more duplicate files, no more lost revisions or version confusion. Everything is all in one place. Reason number 2, seamless collaboration. So we all know how difficult it can be sometimes to work within a team when things aren't fully organised. Working on projects as a team within Vault makes it super easy for multiple users to work on the same design without overwriting each other's changes. Plus, automated approval workflows mean fewer delays and smoother project handovers within your team. So reason number 3 is secure and scalable data management. So not everyone should have access to every file, right? So Vault lets you set permissions, protecting sensitive data whilst ensuring that the right people have exactly what they need. And as your business grows, Vault will scale with you. Reason number 4, it's built for you, Autodesk users. So Vault integrates directly with Inventor, AutoCAD, Revit, and so much more. So you can manage your files without leaving your design software, hopping from left, right, and center. So there's no more switching between programs or worrying about any lost updates. So our reason number 5 is to save you time and reduce those errors. So time in business is money, you all know that. So spending that time searching for files and fixing mistakes is your time wasted. Vault's powerful search tools, automated revision tracking, and bill of materials management helps you work faster and avoid those costly errors. So let us know down in the comments how you're currently organising your files. If you're looking for better file organisation, easier collaboration, and tighter security, Autodesk Vault is your answer. If you want to see how that could work for you, get in touch with the CAD-Spec team today.